I'm Shannon Aikau, and this is Friday Night Shenanigans. You might ask why I'm taking apart, or why we are taking apart a perfectly good running motorcycle, by the way. This is my lovely assistant, Murray Newlands. If you don't know him, you will know him. Anyway, this is a special construction. 2004. I believe 2004 special construction that was built a very long time ago. And sometimes you need to freshen things up, right?
It's a little rusty. It looks like it's been sitting for a while without running.
Yeah, well, it's been running. It just maybe not at its full potential, but we're going to sort that out. There's some things that are loose, some things that I probably want to redo on it, and but other than that, more than anything, just go through things, make sure the wheel bearings are good, the neck bearings are good, the engine seems to run okay. Just go through it, tighten it up, and pretty much a complete service, I guess.
So this is Shannon's garage. This could be you in your garage.
No, it is them in their garage.
It is them in their garage.
It is them in their garage.
And so this is you taking apart and rebuilding a bike in a weekend. It's Friday night. It's 10:30 at night. By the time we got all of the collection organized, it's 10:30 at night. So this is a starting. We decided we're going to strip the bike tonight, Friday night, till probably midnight, and then we're going to rebuild it over the weekend.
Yeah.
So
we're going to go as far or as long as I can, or as long as we can before I pass out.
Oh no, we're taking the bike apart. It's happening.
Oh, all right. Well, there you have it. Let's get started.
See you in the next video.